Yeah. Get some crown. The Hodge twins will say there's some crown action. Right there, that's that crown amplifier, baby. That's a nice one. Missing a knob, it doesn't matter. I got knobs. I can find a knob to fit on there. It'll be dope because it's gonna be the left side anyway. And I hope it's not busted because it's still turning. Anyway, as long as that soaking goes up. As long as it goes up. Oh yeah. Yeah. You got the terminal with a banana clip so to speak on. And XLR for the input. That's gonna be probably a clean ampage. It's XL S202. Yeah. Made in China. It'll go hard. It do go hard, man. It does go very hard. You better believe that one. That is one you better believe, because Crown is known for just maintaining the power when it comes to amplification. Yes. Oh yeah, I need that cord too. That's a long XLR. I mean, long 3-point, which is going to biggity bam. At the flight case, baby. The law of attraction is alive, baby. The law of attraction, baby. Other than that, Xenix. It's that Behringer. Xenix is the copycat of the Mackie. This mug is nice. Yeah. 22 input, 2 and 2 bus mixer. Xenix mic preamps. Greenwich EQ 24-bit multi-effects processor. You got all your little reverbs and all that stuff, all your rooms and pitch shifters, phasers. Yeah, I'm ready to mess with that for a minute. I'm ready to mess with that. Everything seems to be intact. All the levels are nice. Look like they okay. We're gonna be all right. Look up in the pan pots. Don't look like they even used it. Whoever had it did not use it. And there's my long cable. Baby, remove your hand. No digging in designated areas. It'll make you think you're itching for. Causing me to holler obscenities. Woo! Sophia. That boy was nice on the lyrics, man. He said, Jay-Z is crazy. Leave aside, you couldn't pay me. That boy go hard. Hey, ain't you that dude that played in Menace? Think I might be bubbling with that, though. Yeah, nice little amp. So we'll plug that in. And the CD player is outdated, but I need a CD player just to play files. Law of attraction, law of nature, man. It's natural for me to get this right now. I need this. So, yeah, it's on, baby. It's on. Yeah, we out in a minute. Midnight audio coming to you. Midday audio coming to you. In a minute, deSz'e.